Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Wells Fargo Bank. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your device and there search for WellsFargo.com. Now once you search for it, you will be landed to its official homepage, which look like this. Now from the homepage, tap on sign in button at the top right of your screen. Now click continue to sign on button. Now in here, you will ask for your username and password of your account. Type in correctly. If in case you have either forget your username or your password, you can reset them by tapping on forget username or password link here. You can also tick this square box to save your username for your next login. Now if you're done with typing your details, tap on sign on button to get logged into your account. And after that, you will be landed to your account section. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to log in to Wells Fargo bank account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.